Guys, be sorry about the noise in the background.
Hey guys, it's your beauty girl Evie and welcome to my channel. So guys, we're going to be talking about Skin Life Cream, the lotion. Guys, what I have to say about Skin Life Cream and lotion is that it's very active. This cream is super effective, like it brightens you really fast. Yes, guys, Skin Life will whiten you very fast. If you're looking for cream like to just bring out the glow, not to whiten you, the Skin Light is not for you. Skin Light whitens you very fast and evenly. So it's an anti-dark spot cleanser. It's starting soon. But over the time, people have said that it used to damage their skin. So what I'm going to, this video, I'm going to tell you some tips on how to use the cream and not to have any bad effect. So guys, as usual, I know I've always said this, coconut oil is definitely one of the things you need to get. Vitamin E oil, you use it, mix it with your cream, but then get coconut oil and vitamin E oil, you mix it with the Skin Light cream. It's not going to have bad effect. Then vitamin E oil, yes, so that the cream will do its work and the bad effect, maybe your skin is too sensitive to it, so it only works in the morning. But if you just use it daytime, get sunscreen, but I advise you to rub it in the night. But as some people who don't rub cream daytime, they will not rest, so just get sunscreen. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I want to know what you guys think about this video. Then guys, don't forget to put on your notification button so you can be notified anytime I post. In the other video, the next video I'm going to do, I will try and mix the cream so you can understand what I'm saying. Yes. So see you in my next video. Bye.